Turn right onto Campus Drive.
We're back with another Houston's Hot Chicken, groundbreaking. It's not like a ceremony, it's just me out here trying to show you guys the new location. We're in downtown San Diego at the Gaslamp District. 5th Street to my left or right in front of me, and K right behind me. This is like pinnacle part of downtown San Diego. I mean, it couldn't get better than this. Convention center's right here, Hard Rock Hotel, Petco Park right down the street. The location behind me, the previous Toscana Italian restaurant, is now gonna be the newest addition to Houston's Hot Chicken. So let's go inside, take a look and see what we've got going on. It's a rough one, guys. I'm not gonna lie, this is the full demo. We're here right now meeting the demo contractor, so I'm expecting an outrageous bill, but it'll all be worth it in the end, because this right here, our first San Diego location, is gonna be wild. It is just gonna be outstanding. I can't wait to get this open. So we've got a nice outdoor patio. We've got plenty of outside seating. That's not the case for the inside, and that's where the demo is gonna start. Go on, take a look. So as you can see, excessively Italian oriented in here. We've got this brownish orange on the walls, the old wood. This isn't gonna work for HHC. You know, the floor isn't actually as bad as anything, but unfortunately, the way this place is laid out, it doesn't work for our situation. So we've got to take everything out. And I wish the kitchen lights were on. I'd love to show you guys the kitchen, because if you've ever eaten at a Toscana, you might not want to come back, but I saved you guys, it's not here anymore. So essentially, we're gonna take everything out and start from scratch. My idea is that you walk through these as the front door, you come straight down this side right here, and there'll be a pony wall. So this will be the first line. The other wall will be about right here. We'll turn around, and this is gonna be the order counter. We have all of our menus, you'll have those drinks, the lemonades, and you'll be easy access to go right back out the door, take it to go, or you'll be able to sit in our dining room over here. And if you wanted to dine outside, you'll have to kind of like walk around to sit out there. But it's a pretty rough idea. Bathrooms over there. This seating area here, we need it for fridges. There is no walk-in cooler here right now. They just had a bunch of small fridges. So kind of some rough ideas that I've got, but this is something that we're ready to start right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna help the demo guy and give his first kick. I'm kidding, I can't kick down this thing, but we're ready to meet this guy, so I'm pretty stoked.
This is how you get picked up from the airport.
Yeah, well, this is not how it's gonna happen if I have to wait this long next time, Mario. 1 hour, why? Whoa, that's... So please tell me why you were on the plane for so long?
The guy in the front seat threw up all over the walkway.
Oh, that's so gross.
I can't even smell it because my nose is stuffy.
Oh, he said the guy in the front seat threw up on the walkway. What? The guy in the front seat threw up all over the walkway, so he had to clean
What's
the
up,
plane
Bobby?
before they let
Good
him
to
out.
see you, man.
I'm glad you're here.
Back on the vlog.
Mario. So I bought this while I was waiting for you.
I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Are you gonna twin turbo it?
Why'd you tell everybody that?
Because I'm so excited.
Now I'm only gonna twin turbo it. You want to ride in this or that?
I'm gonna ride with you first.
We're going to get something to eat. We've been starving this whole time.
Where's the best Chicago roast beef sandwich in the world?
The only Chicago roast beef sandwich on the West Coast, Portillo's. Portillo's.
Turn right onto Campus Drive. Continue on Campus Drive for traffic.
That was better. I just want to switch. Just get out. Everything's busy in f***ing Utah, man. There ain't shit to do in St. George. I told you, I don't want to franchise that market. I want to take that market for myself. Tell Matt right now, no franchise in St. George. It's my store. I'm serious. So a little update on our conversation there, a little context, if you will. Edmund and Matt went to St. George today. We've got a group out of Salt Lake that wants to franchise Salt Lake, and they've asked us to give up our store, which would have been a corporate store, if you guys are paying attention from the robbery video, out there looking at our corporate store for St. George. And now St. George is about 100 miles away from Vegas, and I really like that market. I've been a fan of St. George my whole life, okay? Since I had friends going up there in college. It's a great little town. Edmund and Matt went there while I went and did the groundbreaking ceremony, if you will, for the gas lamp district HHC. And I found a second location that I didn't film, unfortunately. I'm really sorry about that, but my phone died and Mario had the camera and he wasn't here yet. But we found a second location in La Jolla. La Jolla is my first choice. It's a really, really cool location. So I'm potentially open to doing both St. George and La Jolla, because we have, you know, the markets would be sharing each other's network, but Edmund is up there making the decision. So we're looking at former Blaze Pizza, which is a pretty awesome spot, because the thing with Blaze is that there's no margin. The pizza is like $8, like for everything, and all the toppings and all the stuff. It doesn't make any sense to me, and that was one of the big concerns that I had with this fast fried pizza. Anyways, who cares about that? So he's looking at a former Blaze Pizza, which the renovation was literally just done. Like the place was built previous to COVID, so it's really, really, really like inexpensive to build that store out. That's why these franchisees want that store, because their point of entry is a lot lower. The San Diego store in La Jolla is a former fast food restaurant. It's a not a franchise location because we own the San Diego market, and it's a very expensive store to get into. So I think that that's better for us to do, because we'll have higher margins there.
Best part about today was not only flying here, coming here, spending time with Houston. It was actually the best part about coming back to Royalty is watching you come off the plane, you know, and you greeted me, because I miss the camera. You know, I miss hanging out with you the most. That's the truth. I know.
I'm blushing.
Nah, man, it's been an awesome day today. We picked up a Roadster with Houston and went on the plane. I'm driving an SLS AMG. This thing is 900 horsepower. It's fire. I mean, I'm having so much fun. It's my first week back, and I'm already getting to drive a $650,000 car, like right off the bat. And I'm sitting with you out of all this. Sorry.
Tranquilo, my friend.
Tranquilo. Oh my God, it's crazy. It's like
There he is.
it's the ball. ¿Por qué usarlo de diablo? So first of all, put it in neutral like this, and then I give you one of those like this, and it's like tranquilo, baby, calm down, slow down. But anyways, I love you guys. I can't wait to be back with you guys. Please comment about how happy you are to see me. Woo! I agree. I don't really know which one I like more right now. But you gotta admit, when I drove by, you gotta shit your pants.
No, I didn't shit my pants because I've heard it 1,000 times, but I really, really
outside
like
of the car, outside of the car, when I drove by, you shit your pants.
That's not true.
So you just don't want to think,
Not true.
if he wasn't standing there. Ow. Actually, I've been here before. And the thing about Portillo's is you're from Chicago. They have the best Vienna beef hot dog, the best roast beef sandwich. As he's, you don't give a damn.
All right, bye. This is gonna be epic. Graham Stephan just called me, and he has, I hope I don't say his name wrong, Matt Stoney. So I told him that we have a new HHC challenge. This is not the challenge. But if you could eat 10 Houston We Have a Problem tenders, I'll give you $5,000.
Good luck.
10 tenders, $5,000. That's out to anybody. Nathan, I need you to do me a favor. This is a drop everything emergency, okay? Okay, I'm gonna send you an address, but this food needs to be to him in like 40 minutes tops.
Cheers.
Oh my goodness!
We're here for a rally tomorrow, so.
Oh my goodness! Damn! It's crazy to see you on YouTube and what your success story. I don't know who, but you're on a podcast and then with Graham Stephan with the iced coffee hour. You're a huge inspiration. Oh my goodness!
Let's go with pictures.
Oh yeah, I'm down. Hi, my name is Daniel. Wait, I don't know how to say.
No, you're fine. So me, Mario, and Houston walk out of the movie theater, and our cars are parked here. We got the SLS AMG, we got the Aventador Roadster, and this kid is waiting for us parked next to our car for how long? I don't know how long.
Oh no, just like 5 minutes. I was out of the gym and then I saw these
Told you
cars.
24-hour fitness is still open.
So the gym's still open.
Yeah, the gym was still open, and then I saw Houston. He
Yeah.
looked really familiar, and I was like, "Hey, is your name Houston?" So I wanted to confirm that.
Uh-huh.
And then he was a huge inspiration of mine because of what he built over the years. Unbelievable. And I know that he's in Vegas. So I was like, like why is he here? But obviously, you guys have a rally going on, so it's such a blessing to see him and like to meet all you guys. So thank you so much for that.
It's kind of flattering a little bit, but makes me really upset that I don't make more videos, honestly. Like, I don't know, these guys, like, they watch me, support me. I should like pay the favor back, you know. Fuck. Mario's always telling me to make more videos, man. Shit. All right, I have like a lot of cars now, so we're gonna make more videos. All right, Mario.